These are the best deals that you're gonna find on Amazon's Prime Big Deal Days. You don't wanna miss a single one. We've got a ton here. We got something for everyone. Let's go. If you want to check out any of these deals, check the links in the description and the pinned comment. I'll have every single one down there so you can find them easier. There's also a QR code that you can scan, take you right to the website, find all of these deals. First on the list, we had the Bora lumber rack. I have two of these in the shop. They're absolutely fantastic. They were $49 all the way down to $39. If you don't have one of these, today's the day to grab one because they are so handy. Get your lumber up off the floor, keep everything organized. Next, one of the best deals I've ever seen on this table saw. This is a Skil heavy duty worm drive table saw. This thing is regular $749 all the way down to $599. The average sale price of this over the last 180 days is $748. It does not go on sale this low very often. $599 for this saw. If you're looking for a more compact table saw, this is the 8 1/4 from Skil. This was $279 all the way down to $217. Next up, one of the most popular drills ever sold on Amazon. They sell thousands of these a month. This is a DeWALT drill combo. You get 2 batteries and a charger plus a drill. Now this isn't a pro level drill, but if you're wanting something just from around the house, maybe throw in the pickup truck, something like that, this is a solid option. This was $116 and now it's all the way down to $81. This averages sale price about $100, so you're getting a good deal here on this little drill. Or if you also need the impact, you can get that combo here with the drill, the impact, plus the batteries and charger. This was $259 all the way down to $159. Before we get to the rest of these deals, if you want to see every deal we found on Amazon Prime Day deals, because we can't put them all in this video, go to 731works.com, click on that tool deals button. We're gonna have posts here all day long. We're gonna be updating this list. Plus there's also Home Depot, Lowe's deals, and a ton more you wanna go check out. 731works.com, click on that tool deals button. Next, this is the Powertec crosscut sled. I reviewed this about a year ago or so. This is one of the best value crosscut sleds that you can buy that you don't make yourself. So if you're a little nervous about making your own, or you just need an extra that's really good, that has that actual miter cutting capability so you can just slide it to the exact angle you need, make that cut, this is a great option. This thing was $175 all the way down to $139. If you need a crosscut sled, this is the one to get. Next, the WORX Pegasus table. I have 2 of these in the shop. They're great for having extra workspace, or if you just need to clamp something up, work on it real quick. This thing was $159 all the way down to $108 right now on the Prime Day deals. Skil has their router and router table combo kit on sale. This was $219. It's on sale all the way down to $169. This is a solid option especially for a beginner router table, but the router is the star of the show here, and it is $169. This is a very good deal. If you just need a router, like one of the best routers ever made, the Bosch 1617 fixed and plunge base, this is on sale. This was $279 all the way down to $206. I've had one of these for years and years, and they are just workhorses in the shop. If you need some router bits to go along with those routers you probably just bought, you got to check this out. These were $97. They're all the way down to $76. And this is I have this set actually. You get a round over, a chamfer, a dovetail, a couple of flush trim, or 1 flush trim, and then 2 straight bits. This is a solid set, especially for starting out, and they hold their edge, so they're going to stay sharp a long time. I've never seen these on sale ever, and these are the lowest price ever on these next 2. This is the Powertec flip top tool stand. So if you have a planer and a jointer, or miter saw and a planer that you're trying to flip, this might be a really good option for you. This is the lowest price ever this has ever been, down to $213 only. This was $269 down to $213. Next up is also a rolling stand. So if you don't need that flip top and you just need the rolling part, or just a rolling stand for say a planer or even a miter saw or something like that, this Powertec is also on sale. This was $179 all the way down to $140. If you need a sander, there's 2 here that I'm going to show you that are on deal. This is the DeWALT. This is my favorite sander under $100. This is not the variable speed model. This is just a standard speed. It's just a really good solid option for just a basic sander if you need that. This was $79 all the way down to $69. The screaming good deal here though is the Bosch sander. This is a 6-inch sander. I compare this to a Festool Rotex. I reviewed this a while back. It does as good a job as a Festool Rotex. You can do 2 modes here. You can do a gear-driven mode and then a regular orbital sander mode. This thing is on sale all the way down to $254. It's retail at $349. Sometimes it goes down to $329 on sale. Right now, $254. Screaming good deal on one of the best high-end sanders you're going to be able to get, especially at this price. Bosch also has their 5-in-1 drill on sale. This is a 12-volt drill, comes with a battery, the charger, plus those extra heads so you can get into tight spaces, drill that 90 degrees. I love having these style drills in the shop. They're extremely handy, especially if you're putting together cabinets or drawers or anything like that. It's a really, really good drill. This is on sale down to $133, was $239. Solid deal here. If you need some hand tools, Wiha is one of the top brands out there as far as quality goes. This is an insulated screwdriver set, 10 piece. This was $71, all the way down to $53 on this set. This is just a solid deal if you're looking for some screwdrivers, especially insulated if you're into electrical, stuff like that. Next on the list, the Vevor workbench for the garage. This is the lowest price ever this has been. Several of these have sold in the last several days. This is a really good deal for a workbench. If you just need an extra workspace, solid hardwood top, adjustable legs. This is on sale right now for $254. It was $329. And again, this is the lowest price this has ever been. If you need a more compact work table, the Bora Centipede is a great option. It collapses down to almost nothing and then expands out. This is a 4x4 setup, so it goes 4 foot by 4 foot. This retails for $179. It's on sale for $121. If you also need the work top, you can just throw plywood on top of those and they work just perfectly fine. But if you do want the work tops, then you can have the dog holes so you can clamp things down. This is also on sale. This was $99 all the way down to $68, but you will need 2 of these if you get the 4x4 because this is a 2 foot by 4 foot, so you need 2 of them. One of the absolute best layout tools I've ever purchased is the DFM small carpenter square. The little holes for scribing lines, the angles, quick angles, you could just drop a pin in there and get those quick angles. It's a really, really good square. It's made in the USA, top quality, and this is also on sale. Down to $34, retails at $44. Solid deal. If you don't have one of these, I recommend picking one up. You will not be disappointed. DFM also has on sale their small square. This is perfect for checking the end of chisels. It's also perfect for little small boxes and things like that. If you just need a small square, plus this has a center finder so you can drop those 2 pins in there, find your centers of smaller stocks. This is on sale from $34 all the way to $22. I recommend picking up both if you don't have either one. We have some off Amazon deals that I gotta share because I would be remiss if I didn't. This is $90 off 2 6-amp-hour batteries today only. This expires at midnight. A lot of times these sell out before midnight too. So if you're looking for some DeWALT batteries, this might be a good time to stock up on them. Was $259 all the way down to $169. Next up, Dremel has this kit on sale. Retails at $209 all the way down to $170, and you're getting all of this. So if you're looking for a rotary tool, especially one that has a carrying case, that box keep everything nice and organized, plus you have all these different attachments and all the accessories to go with it, today's the day. Next, Vevor has their parallel clamps on sale for the lowest price ever. These things, this is a steal. This is a steal right now. 36-inch 2 parallel clamps, both 36 inches long. These are the lowest price ever, was $64 all the way down to $55, like $27 and change for each of these. So it's lower than the Harbor Freight Bremen clamps right now at this price. Solid deal here if you're looking for some parallel clamps. Next up, DeWalt's mechanics tool set. This is a 204-piece mechanics tool set from DeWalt. I have a DeWalt mechanics tool set that's very similar to this, and I have absolutely loved it since I bought it. This was $208. It's all the way down to $174. If you need a good, solid mechanics tool set, plus the carrying case, this is it. This is one of the most popular flush trim saws that I've ever shown on the channel. I have one of these and I've had one for years. They stay sharp. They do a really good job. If you need something like this in the shop, if you're a woodworker, you do, just pick this up. You're gonna thank me later. This was $19, now it's $15 and it's worth every single penny. If you're looking for a generator, Craftsman has this on sale at Lowe's today only. It's $100 off, $5.99 all the way down to $4.99. And we know that winter's coming up, power outages are coming, so you might as well be prepared now. Today only, you can get this DeWalt DW735X with the rolling stand for $334 off. Retails at $1,033, all the way down to $699. If you need a planer, this is the workhorse to put in the shop. Also today only, you can pick up this DeWalt 2¼ horsepower router. I have this router. It's the plunge and fixed base router. I've had it for years. It's up there with the Bosch as far as greatness goes. It's like Which color do you like, Bosch or DeWALT? $40 off right now, today only, all the way down to $229. The Milwaukee M12 3-inch random orbital sander is also on sale with 2 M12 batteries. This is $140 off today only. If you don't have this yet and you're in the M12 line, you gotta get it. It's one of the best sanders that Milwaukee's come out with recently. It was $309 all the way down to $169. Today only. Don't forget, today only. All of these Home Depot deals are today only, including this DeWALT DWS 779 miter saw. I have had this miter saw forever, and I don't have the stand, but this also comes with the stand. $369 off today only, all the way down to $499. Screaming good deal. If you need the DeWALT compact table saw, this is an 8 1/4 table saw. I have this table saw as well. This is a very, very good table saw. This comes with the stand, $174 off right now. You can get it for $329. I did also want to share this deal today, only $100 off the RYOBI 40-volt mower. I have a 40-volt mower from RYOBI. It's done a fantastic job. I've been using it since the spring and has done an excellent job. I love the fact that I don't have to buy the gas or pull on the cord anymore. Just drop the battery in and go. This was $499 all the way down to $399. Also, last deal from Home Depot for today only. This is, you're going to save $170 off the Milwaukee M12 drill and impact. Plus you're getting 4 batteries and a charger. $170 off, all the way down to $199. These are some of the best drills and impacts to have in the shop. Lightweight, very powerful. You're gonna do everything you need to do in a shop, which is drilling holes and driving screws. This is the set to get. Next up, this is a folding workbench. I have this from Cobalt. Multiple people have put their brand on it, but it's the exact same table. I have this in the shop. I use it all the time. You can fold it up absolutely flat or near flat and push it up against the wall and get it out of the way. And then you can fold it down and use it as a work surface. There's a shelf underneath you can put stuff on. This is the lowest price this has ever been. It was $288 all the way down to $249 right now. This is a really nice little extra work table to have in the shop. Or if you don't have space and you're rolling your things in and out, this is great for a laser table, great for 3D printer tables. It's just a good little table. Next, Pony has their portable folding work table on sale. You're getting this work table plus the clamp, so if you need a way to hold your work, plus have a little extra work table that'll fold flat, get it out of the way when you don't need it. This is on sale. It was $169 all the way down to $142. For all these tools you're buying, you're gonna need some hearing protection. This is on sale for like 49% off. This is Walker's Razor Slim Ultra Low Profile Compact Design. This is a really good set if you need a set of Hearing Pro. Was $79 all the way down to $39 on these. This is the most popular MIG welder on Amazon. It's the #1 seller, and for good reason. It's only 99 bucks on sale right now. Retails $149. If you need a little MIG welder around the shop, around the house, 99 bucks. This is Win's 8-inch drill press. This is on sale for the lowest price ever, only 74 bucks. Yeah, it's a smaller drill press, but $74, especially if you don't need that big distance. This is one of those, it's just 74 bucks. I mean, I've had a Win drill press for years and they're really nice. If you need some small parts organization for screws, bolts, nuts, that sort of thing, even drill bits, driver bits, things like that, this is the DeWALT TSTAK small parts organizer. This is on sale for only 20 bucks. It was 31 all the way down to 20. And one of the hottest selling things on Amazon over the past month or two has been this little jewel. It's only like $8. No, it's not on sale, but it's 8 bucks. And this is perfect for those drill bits and driver bits. It's just a little small box. On the website, it says they've sold 4,000 of these in the last month, and I believe it. Don't forget to head over to 731woodworks.com and then click on that Tool Deals button and check out all the tool deals that we're posting there. There's going to be a lot more of these Prime Day deals, and we're going to have a video tomorrow, so you want to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that deal video tomorrow. In the meantime, check out that video right there. Click in the box, get you the big old virtual fist bump.